All right, guys, we did a video on this roof before we started. We're going to do one when we're finished. This is a metal job, and I wanted to show you an area that was a real big concern, and this is why you need a roofing company, not a marketing company that knows how to get to your door but doesn't know how to put your roof on, and then they ask us to how to try to help them fix their problem. We are a real roofing company. I'm going to show you one of the things that real roofing companies know how to fix. So this area right here, this is a nasty little area. It needs a lot of work. We're going to have to redo this so that it looks a lot nicer. This is actually going to touch the metal panel, and we've kind of got what I like to say, like almost a low slope. We have a pitch change in here. It's not enough slope for me, but we want to make sure we're real careful in this area so we don't have leaks. There's another area on this roof that really concerns me, a high potential leak area, problematic area. So we're going to focus on this area too. We're going to show you what it looks like now and then when it's done right here. So we've got another pitch change. So we've got 2, 3, 4 roofs coming together. And once they get down to the bottom, they kind of level out. Well, what happens when a roof levels out? The water can go left, right, straight, forward, backwards, all over the place, causes problems. So we want to fix that. So what makes us different is we're going to look at this area as a problematic area, and we're going to approach it with a solution to solve the problem. So long term, this homeowner is fine. What you see in the roofing industry, let's just get this where it doesn't leak for a couple of years and we'll be long gone and won't be our problem. Not here at Eustis. We're going to solve this problem. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. But a key component to this roof, the first thing that we're going to do is put what we call a high temperature peel and stick. That's a key part of a metal roof system. You've got to have a really good underlayment if you're going to have a great roofing system. As far as if you're going to put metal on, it's a lifetime product. You're going to want a good underlayment on it too. This is key to a metal roof. The next key is always remove the shingles. Do not go over the shingles, at least in the state of Florida. It doesn't work. They condensate. They cause all kinds of problems. They rot the screws out. You always want to take the roof all the way off, like this one here. We're going all the way down to the roof deck. We're going to fix the problems with the deck. We're going to add some nails to it. We're going to put some new nails in the decking. See, these are really old nails, so we're going to add new nails to it. The ones that are actually code approved, that are wind certified, they're going to have shanks in them so that they stick in there good. They're a really, really good nail, and then you don't have any issues. Also, real quick, I'm going to show you another area. This siding. So I want to get behind this wood siding to have a really successful flashing roof system. You can see the old flashings here. So we're going to take this wood off. We're going to run our flashing and put the wood back. And then we're going to look for little deficiencies like right here. We're going to seal these, paint it, make sure it's good. So you can kind of see what it looks like now. Then we'll come back and show you what it looks like after. Like, the reason we make these videos is to stop homeowners from bad roofers. How can we give you as much information as possible so you don't end up with a bad roof in the long term? What we know is 70% of roofs fail prematurely because they weren't installed correctly or there was an issue with the manufacturer. But typically, metal roofing is the one that we see the worst on. So it's hard to find people that know what they're doing when it comes to metal. So we see metal all the time when we go out to the roof and we're like, man, there's nothing we can do here but replace the roof. You've been taken advantage of. And it's something we don't want to see anymore. We want to stop that from happening. So if I can give you some videos showing you how we do it, it can stop that. You know, at the end of the day, I'm just as involved in the metal as anything else. Our guys are really good. You can't just put anybody on metal. It's got to be a qualified professional.